Our next demonstrator will show some really cool ways to shop for travel. Please welcome Andy Owens-Jones of Traveltainment, the Amadeus Leisure Group.
Hello, and I'd like to introduce Traveltainment, which is a small company that's got quite big. We're now in 7 different markets across Europe, working in 5 languages, and we reckon just over 10% of the world's package holiday travel goes through our systems in one form or another. And we've felt that to keep ahead, we need to innovate all the time. You can't sit still. Stefan here is going to be working the screens for me, is in charge of our business innovation group, which means he's big for short. And as you can see, that works. What we've got here is a number of things for you which we're not going to be bringing into the US market until 2011. We're concentrating on Europe. We're going into Asia next year. And what we want to do is really take the world's complex, messy leisure data, organize it, make it searchable. That's our basis, and then we want to inspire our customers' customers to travel. So what I'm going to suggest is something that a dilemma will face us next year when we come. It's a dilemma we had last night. We had a very nice steak dinner, and the challenge for us was, what kind of wine do you have with your steak? And so I'm not so into vineyards. I don't know where the grapes are. I don't know what is a good grape. I look at labels, and I think this is potentially a very expensive label, but it looks nice. I get lost. And what I'd really like is for someone to build me the perfect wine finder. So I can look through, and the thing that is important to me is I want every kind of wine in there. And yes, I want to know the price, but I really want to find out what Parker says about it, because I trust Parker. And for me, that's what makes it relevant. And I think you need these 3 things to succeed if you're trying to sell a very complex product to people who don't really consider themselves experts. You need comprehensiveness, the widest selection that you can have. In fact, you want to get everything. And it's our mission to get 80% of the world's leisure holiday organized. And then in the booking process, we can find the other 20%. We want to be completely comprehensive, we want to be relevant, and we want to be performing. Because you can have everything in the world, and if you can't find it or if it's too slow, then you get into terribly bad situations where your customers get very frustrated with what's going on. And this is a scenario I'm sure you've recognized when you've tried to build your own holiday. You go through path after path after path, and you end up clicking on something, and when you go back later, it's not there. So we've built our new booking engine to try and take advantage of the replica of the whole market that we've made. Behind the scenes here, we've copied the entire market in Germany. We hold about 9 billion offers in our system. And our goal is to try and make all of those extremely presentable to individuals in the most relevant way in 30 thousandths of a second. Overall, on top of this, then, we take our rich media that we produce, and we use that to try and encourage people to travel. So we're going to show you our new website, and then we're going to show you some of the other channels that we're using in order to do things. So here we go. This is a new site that we're in beta testing on STA Travel in Germany. A number of elements of it are already put online for Thomas Cook and for Weg.de, which is one of the big, fast, up-and-coming travel agencies in Germany. Comprehensive. If you look down our list, we'll change the pricing so that we have a more realistic price, because not many people start their search with 850 euros. You can see there's an awful lot of different destinations you can go to. We've got hundreds and hundreds of destinations, and all of the prices that you see here will be right when you get to the final offer and you click it through. Then you might want to go as a family because you want it to be relevant to you. So you might change and say, show me only the holidays that have been reviewed by families. Because every time someone travels through sites like TUI or through Thomas Cook or through the Expedia package holiday site in Germany, we send them an 80-point questionnaire. 35% of people fill that in. So we can build entire websites based on, tell me what the end customer wants. So if you've come as a family and you now want to find an offer, this only shows you hotels that have been reviewed by families. The top hotels in places like Hurghada in Egypt have been reviewed by over 1,300 families who've traveled there. Then we like to give the end customer the ability to play with the different data in the ways that they want. We push for our customers maybe a recommended hotel according to their parameters. This might be one they've got a special deal on. You can see the top one there's got 150, 180 different reviews, and then the one below it's got 1,300 offers. If we look at this one, it shows you very quickly what are the best offers from all the different tour operators. It's easy to take one tour operator's content and make it showable. What we do is we take all the different tour operators. We connect over 100 tour operators in our system. We've got 153 on the waiting list. We introduced this particular way to show their quality this year, because all our holiday players have told us the problem with this is people focus on price. You need to show them quality. You need to show them what people want. Then if you look behind here, we've got teams who go out there and capture data for these people. This is a next generation of our hotel widget that we're just launching at the moment. And the idea behind this is to try and give people the control back that you don't normally get when you're scrolling through sites. So we want to make this a bit like iGoogle. You can scroll through hotels in the way that you want to. You can look in more detail, for example, at the hotel ratings. Now, this is our B2C sites. We also have got all sorts of things that we show in B2B. We have 10,000 travel agencies across Europe who use our B2B business, or who use our B2B search tools. And we launched this this week in TUI, and basically we bring our booking technology together with our search technology. This, we hope, to take a 30% share of the German market in the next year from a standing start now. We have got all the hotel reviews. If one of your travel agents is linked to a website and someone puts a hotel review in there, it'll pop up in the travel agency window. So he can get in touch with that customer and say, I understand your holiday was great or it wasn't so good. Everything's widget-based. We're opening it up a bit like Facebook. So if you click on it, you can pull different things out, like we have chat things, we have offer of the day, and so on. So these things are things that the travel agency chains can do. Then we've moved on and we've put booking functionality, and everything could be updated according to how the travel agency wants it. It'll be very interesting to see how this works. Between this and the end consumer, then we've built a personal retailing platform called TripPage. This allows you to send a personalized website to the customer. We launched this one last week for TUI Leisure Travel. This allows you to sell books, to sell guidebooks, to sell suitcases, and the travel agent gets a commission on it. So it brings, finally, the internet towards the brick-and-mortar travel agent, and they don't see it as a competitor anymore. So you can see your brochure content of the holiday place that you're going. We supply activities and entertainment data so that you know what's going on. Then, on top of this, we've looked at new ways to show things. So if you come outside afterwards, we'll show you the video of our Surface application. We are coming from the perspective of most people in cinemas. People are often looking at the experience as something they could have on a large screen TV. And so films like Avatar from James Cameron, they're trying to give the best possible digital experience to a customer. We want to give the best possible digital experience inside a travel agency, something that you cannot replicate in your home, so that people will come into the travel shops. This is just a prototype. It's our goal to have 300 of these in travel agencies by the middle of next year. This would make this probably the world's biggest application for Microsoft Surface. The idea is to try and inspire customers to travel. We don't just want to organize the data. We want people to travel. We work in the world's best industry, and too often the things that we do are really boring. On top of this, it's easy to make these things work when you're at a small scale. Our challenge is to try and do this when we've got a very, very large scale indeed. So we have about 1.5 billion page views now per month. We have about 30 million searches per day. We're capturing these searches so that we can understand the demand and feed that back into the tour operators so that they can do pricing. We have 9 billion offers in the system, and our goal is to find the probability-driven best fit for your customer in 30 thousandths of a second. Now, behind all this, there are some patented things, and we're also sending out our teams to capture video, to capture Google panoramas. I'm going to show you a new type of panorama that we've put in place as of March this year. And we're going around all the different destinations in the leisure world, trying to give people the best possible experience of what it's like to actually be at a beach. Can I jump down the beach and see what it's like? So that there's no possible way to fake this. You can see absolutely every piece of where you're going. The next stage of this, clearly, we'll put the hotel offers, we'll put the hotels in here and make them clickable. And as broadband becomes more and more powerful, you can see that these kind of things allow people to experience the holiday as well as you possibly can before you get there. Now, you put one of these things together and we think it can be quite a powerful innovation. But when you start to tie these together in a fully multi-channel environment, where on the surface table you throw the offers to our new booking tool, you then send the customer out things so that they can book on your personalized website next time round. We see that these things in combination can be an extremely powerful thing. So far, we have got about 2,000 websites that we run across Europe. It's our goal to really organize the whole of the leisure travel industry in each of these different markets and turn them into something where customers can take really complex, messy problems, we make it simple, and on top of that, we try and inspire it. So over the next period, you'll see us pushing out in countries like the UK, pushing out in countries like Australia and New Zealand, and then eventually, this time in 2 years' time, we hope to stand here and show you some completely new things that we've developed for the US market. So thank you very much for your time, and I hope you vote for us.
Andy Owen Jones, Traveltainment, the Amadeus Leisure Group. Thank you.
And it's time to vote.